The Chancellor said extra cash will allow the Home Office to cut the asylum backlog, hear more appeal cases and return people who have no right to be here. Every migrant hotel will be closed by July 2029, Rachel Reeves has vowed. During today's spending review, the Chancellor said extra cash will allow the Home Office to cut the asylum backlog, hear more appeal cases and return people who have no right to be here. It comes as more Channel migrants arrived in Dover this morning, taking the total past 15,000. The Chancellor told MPs, "I can confirm today that led by the work of the Home Secretary we will be ending the costly use of hotels to house asylum seekers, in this Parliament. Funding that I have provided today including from the Transformation Fund will cut the asylum backlog, hear more appeal cases, and return people who have no right to be here, saving the taxpayer £1 billion per year. That is my choice, Mr. Speaker. That is Labour's choice. And that is the choice of the British people." Ms. Reeves has announced funding of up to £280 million more per year by the end of the spending review for the Border Security Command to support the integrity of our borders. Hundreds of migrants are feared to have been intercepted in the English Channel this morning. Windy conditions have hampered crossings so far in June. But people smugglers took advantage of calm conditions. Despite the low visibility, with at least one inflatable picked up mid-channel early this morning. Migrants in orange life jackets were seen coming ashore at Immigration Processing Centre at the Port of Dover's Western Docks in Kent this morning. They were brought into the harbour on the Border Force catamaran Volunteer. A second Border Force vessel, Typhoon, came into the port soon after while another catamaran Ranger could be seen in mid-channel according to ship tracking site Marine Traffic.
Explicar lo que siento cuando tú no estás conmigo, cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito, cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre mil veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre mil veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.